Welcome to the Safety Up podcast. We support developing a safer, sustainable workplace. Today, we'll introduce B11.26, 2024. Functional Safety, General Principles for Designing Safety. Related Parts of Control Systems for Machinery. B11.26, 2024 is a comprehensive standard that provides guidelines for implementing safety-related control functions in machinery. The document is divided into several sections, each addressing different aspects of functional safety. The Introduction and Overview section explains the purpose of the B11 series of machinery safety standards to eliminate or minimize risks associated with machinery tasks. It emphasizes that zero risk does not exist, but a good faith approach to risk assessment and risk reduction can achieve an acceptable risk level. The section also describes the organization and application of B11 documents, categorizing them into Type A, Type B, and Type C standards, with B11.26, 2024 falling into the Type B category. The Scope section outlines that B11.26 provides requirements and guidance for implementing safety-related control functions in machinery. It covers electrical, electronic, pneumatic, hydraulic, and mechanical control system components. It includes detailed schematic circuit diagrams and analysis tables to illustrate safety control circuit design concepts. The Preparations for Functional Safety Design section outlines the steps for conducting a risk assessment, identifying risk reduction measures, defining safety functions, determining reliability design specifications, and selecting appropriate input, logic, and output elements. It emphasizes the importance of a thorough risk assessment to identify hazards and determine the necessary safety functions to reduce risk to an acceptable level. The General Design Requirements section provides overall design requirements for safety-related parts of control systems, regardless of the required reliability. It covers integrating SRPCS in the overall machine controls, specific functions like protective stop and start functions, and design requirements for electrical, fluid power, and mechanical components. The Fault Considerations section addresses the evaluation of failure modes that could affect a specific circuit's ability to perform its safety function. It includes common cause failures, fault exclusions, and specific failure modes for electrical fluid power and mechanical components. The Monitoring and Diagnostic Coverage section emphasizes the need for monitoring and diagnostic coverage to ensure the reliability of safety-related control systems. It provides methods for electrical and fluid power monitoring, including direct and indirect monitoring and monitoring by the process. The Design Requirements for the Input Devices section cover various types of input devices, such as emergency stop devices, mechanical and non-contact interlocking devices, guard locking interlocks, optical presence sensing devices, safety mats, edges, two-hand control devices, speed detection devices, and enabling devices. It provides specific design requirements, considerations, and application examples for each type of input device. The Design Requirements for Logic Devices section explains the role of logic devices in providing the relationship between inputs and outputs of the SRPCS and monitoring for faults. It covers safety interface modules, tampering and defeat considerations, failure modes, and reset functions. The Design Requirements for the Output Devices section address using relays, contactors, and fluid power systems. It provides design requirements and considerations for these output devices, emphasizing the importance of proper air preparation, filtration, regulation, and lubrication to maintain the reliability of pneumatic systems. The Validation section outlines the process for confirming that the risk assessment requirements have been fulfilled through testing on the as-built machine. It emphasizes the importance of validating safety functions to ensure they perform as intended. The Change Management section provides guidelines for managing changes to safety-related control systems, ensuring that any modifications do not compromise the safety functions. The Information for Use section emphasizes the importance of providing clear and comprehensive information to users, including instructions for installing, operating, maintaining, and troubleshooting safety-related control systems. Overall, B11.26 2024 is a detailed guide for designing and implementing safety-related control systems in machinery. It ensures that risks are reduced to an acceptable level through proper design, installation, maintenance, and monitoring of safety devices and systems. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Safety Up. Today we discussed B11.26, 2024. Functional safety, general principles for designing safety, related parts of control systems for machinery. B11 series standards can be purchased at B11Standards.org. You can support us by clicking like and subscribe. Take care, everyone, and until next time.